Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? Today, my voice is a little hoarse, so bear with me. Got some throat infection. Okay, so today's interview question is uh, about selectors. So let me share my screen. Yeah. So, what is a selector in Kubernetes, and what are the different types of selectors? We'll see few examples. And so, selector is like you have phone book, and in the phone book, you want to search contacts based on company name or location, right? So you filter it out. So selector, as the name suggests, select the pods, right? So you can filter out by label, filter out by some expression, right? So that's what selector does. Selector in Kubernetes is used to match set of pods based on their labels. It helps services deployment and other Kubernetes objects identify which pod they should manage or interact with. So how does it work? Each pod in Kubernetes can have labels, key value pair, and selector in a service or deployment defines set of criteria to match these labels. For example, here it's a service and it's selecting it matches pods with label applicable to Nginx. So this is a selector. So this service is looking for pods where label applicable to Nginx. So in this case, service will route traffic to only those pods that will have these labels. App is Nginx. So here, let's say this is the deployment and the Nginx deployment. This is the deployment. There are three replicas, and here we have app Nginx label metadata. So this label assigned to pod. So this is the label assigned to pod. And selector is saying these pods have to select. Right? So traffic will be routed to this service will route the traffic to only those pods that have these labels. So selector used to find matching pods based on the labels. Services use selectors to route traffic to right pods, and deployment use selectors to manage it to pod pod. Here deployment also using a selector. Here this is the deployment, and this is also using the selector, right? Select pods with label applicable to Nginx. So applicable to app colon Nginx, and here label assigned to pods. So what are the different kind of selector? One is a label selector that we have seen match the label, right? Match the label, selector match labels app in Linux. So this selects resources where applicable to. Other one is the expression, match expression. So there will be operators like in, not in, exist, matches if the key exists, regardless of value, does not exist. For example, matches if the value is in the list or not. This is in operator, right? Nginx and Apache. So this selects resources where applicable to Nginx or applicable to Apache. So this is match expression. Then we have field selector. Field selector used to filter resources based on the field value. So field value here, for example, kubectl get pods -minus field selector status dot page equal to running. Here this page is only running pods. Another example could be environment field selector metadata of name equal to my pod. So it's let's say pod with exact name my pod. Then we have a node selector that selects node selector. And there are some other selectors like affinity, anti-affinity selector, there are pod affinity. So a couple of examples you can give whatever I told you earlier. So we will go through this table. Match labels, exact match of labels, key value pair, match expression, complex level matching, field selector, select resources based on the field value. Node selector, schedule pods on specific nodes based on labels. Node affinity, advanced node scheduling with expression. Pod affinity, place pods together on the same node. Pod anti-affinity, itself pods are not scheduled on the same node. Anti-affinity. They won't be scheduled on the same node. Intent validations, restrict pods will be based on node dens. Node is tainted, it's restricted. Now let's go to today's quiz. As you know that I post quiz daily on my LinkedIn page, Devops Challenge Hub. You can follow Devops Challenge Hub LinkedIn page, participate in the quiz contest, and also follow WhatsApp channel, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel also. And what is the primary purpose of selecting Kubernetes? To select the best Kubernetes node for deployment to match resources based on levels. Yeah, so match resources, right? That is the main purpose. Configure network policies management. So answer is the B. Which Kubernetes selector is used for complex level matching with operator like in, not in, exist, and does not exist? So we have seen that match expression matching, right? So this is the match expression. That is the answer. Okay, that's for today. I hope you like the video.